Hey guys, welcome back. In this video, we're going to talk about number capture or digit collection. In CVP Call Studio, digit collection is achieved using the number capture voice element. Now, under number capture, there are about 6 different voice elements you have. You got the digit with confirm, number with confirm, phone, and phone with confirm. Now, digit with confirm. Digit voice element basically captures a string of numerical digits. It may be used to collect small or large number of string of digits. The digit string can be spoken or entered using the keypad. The capture value will be then stored into an element data that can be used throughout the applications. A string cannot contain any non-numerical characters. With digit voice element, the application designer has the ability to define the length of the digit that he wants to collect with a minimum and a maximum length. If you don't provide, you must provide a minimum and maximum length for you to use any of this item. Now, with the digit collection voice element, you will collect the digit and then you will continue to process it. But if you want the user to say confirm what they have entered is correct, meaning they will have to press 1 to confirm it, or any other number to say nope, this is not correct, so that they can retry, then you must use digit with confirm. I will show you how to use both of them as we go through this. Then you have number. Number voice element captures a number input from the caller versus the number string. The number can be spoken or entered using the keypad. The result value will be stored in an element data and you can then use in a decimal value. Now the number can be negative or positive and can contain this decimal point. Now using DTMF entry, the number is restricted to being positive and the decimal point is entered by pressing the star key rather than the dot. Now the number, if you want the user to confirm that, again by pressing 1 that what they have entered is correct, then you must use the number with confirm element options. Number can be spoken or entered using the keypad. You could define what do you call a negative or positive from let's say various application, but from DTMF you can only enter the positive value. Then you got the phone. Phone voice element can be used to capture phone number input from the caller. The phone number can be spoken and entered using the keypad. Capture will be valued in store as an element data. Now the string may contain number of digit and an optional characters like a X for extension to indicate that phone number with an extension. Using the switch, you can input the entire number, may be spoken in a natural speaking language, but using DTMF entry, the